Their choice in meat is something that just might surprise you. Monkeys. The males take up the hunt. Freddy is at center stage. These colobus monkeys are being hunted. Freddy holds back. This operation requires planning, and everyone has a role to play. One by one, they silently take their positions. The monkeys still haven't seen them. Now the blockers move up. They're supposed to be seen and take a position in clear view. Freddy climbs carefully. He must not be seen. Perfect. Ready, steady, go! They've got one. After the initial scramble, the group settles in for the feast. Freddy takes the best for himself. But no matter how hard you try, there's always someone who feels shortchanged. It's always good to add a little fiber to your diet, so don't forget the side salad.